Hi, I'm Greg Shoemaker with Highline Dents, Paintless Dent Repair. We specialize in removing door dings and minor dents from automobiles and motorcycles. We service Pasco County and Hernando County, Florida. We come to you, we're a mobile operation, home or office. Today we're here going to take out a dent on this Sky, Saturn Sky. We're going to go two different methods. We had a method that we're going to use that's called glue pulling, where we glue small tabs up on the dent to relieve the pressure, and it had a dent here and a dent on top. What we do is we're going to pull that up slightly enough to where it doesn't stretch the paint or anything, since it was such a deep dent on the body line. Once we get that to where we can go underneath, and we use the tools to finish it out. We have special steel tip tools that we use to go in and massage the metal back out to where the panel is 100%. I'm Greg Shoemaker once again. Just want to tell everybody thanks for looking at our videos and everything. If you have a dent, door ding, minor crease, anything in your gas tanks, cars, vans, feel free to give us a call, 727-505-8520, or text us a picture. Mobile company, we come to your home or office. Save you time and money.